to make a satisfying button in Scratch. Make a new sprite and go to the costume editor. Make a rectangle and add text saying start or play. Don't forget to add a colored background so your button stands out. Now go back to the costume editor and duplicate your first costume. Make it so the fill in the outline is opposite to your last costume. For example, if your rectangle had a white fill and a black outline, then costume 2 would have the fill black and the outline white. Now let's move on to coding. This code will make it so if your mouse pointer is touching the button, it will get brighter. This will also make it so if you're touching it, it will switch to costume 2. These 3 new pieces of code will give a satisfying bounce effect when you're touching it, and always make it rotate back and forth. If you copy these steps, you should get something like this.